So guys, we got ourselves a 2005 PT Cruiser. Customer just brought it in. He just bought it. His old one was totaled, and they sold him this one. Got what? 67,000 miles on it. And he said that his turn signals don't work. Let's see, is that on? Yeah, no turn signals. Hazard lights work, but no turn signals, and no wipers. Is that the wiper? No, wipers on this side. So nothing happens. Nothing. So, quickly printed out a wiring diagram here. Let's see. It's easy to get to. Guess we could check the fuse. Let's see for the turn signals. Turn signal switch. So I guess we could check the fuses and go from there. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a fuse. I think the place that he bought it from already checked it. They said something about they had to fix a wire. I don't know. But we'll do our own testing. Guess we'll start with the easiest and just quick check the fuses. Hey guys, so it says on here for the wipers, fuse 15. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. Fuse 15. And it feeds the rear wiper control. And it feeds, comes down, rear wiper motor, and it also feeds, looks like, the front wiper washer switch, and then it comes down and feeds the front wiper motor. And fuse 15 is in fact blown. So I'm gonna get my fuse holder with a current loop, and I'll get a 20 amp circuit breaker, and we'll put that in there, and we'll see what kind of current we're getting on this circuit. So guys, I put the circuit breaker in, 20 amp, get my amp clamp, and reading 0.01, and now turn signals work. But I don't see any current flow on here. And I did notice that fuse 15 feeds the wiper motors, and fuse 15 also feeds the ignition switch. So, let's see if our wipers work. Our wipers look good. Our sprayers work. So I'm not seeing any issues there. We're going up to like, what, 12? Let's see. Where? I don't know how Chrysler turned on their rear one. It's our interior light. Let's see. Oh, here's the rear one. Okay, so the rear one works. I always feel like there's always like hide the rear wiper controls. Man, we're getting some pretty high spikes there. Nothing over 20 though. Oh man, they sold him this car. Look at the wiper. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's all tore. The blade is all tore. It's kind of crappy. So the highest we saw was, I think, 17.9. So that's not enough to blow this, because the fuse can handle like full current that's rated at, like, what is it, like 15 minutes or something like that. There's a whole chart on it. And it can handle like, I think it's like 1.5 times its current for like 5 minutes. Something high. So we don't have anything here that'll definitely blow the fuse. I guess we can start this up, see if our current's lower. Let's let this run a little bit. Try it again. Hit the mist. Oh, that was higher. That was 19.3. Oh, that maxed out our scale. Let me save this and then I'll change the scaling. So guys, I got the rear wiper on. And we'll activate the top, the front one. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here that'll blow the fuse like really, really fast. Like even if I press them both at like similar times. Let's see. I don't even think it lets me do them both at the same time. We're seeing a max of 21 just when I do the mist. So I'm not sure why this blew. So I'm going to quick do an inspection underneath the hood real quick, because he said that they had to fix the AC compressor wiring. I guess we could turn the AC on. AC's on right now. Not seeing a change. No change there. So I'm going to go underneath the hood real quick to see if I see anything obvious. If not, I'm going to put a fuse in and we'll see if it blows later. If not, This will be the fix. Let's look at this fuse real quick, see. It doesn't look like it exploded. So it doesn't look like it was like a dead short. So guys, I figured I'd add this in here. The rear wiper. So that's normal operation of the rear wiper. Spikes to like 4. So now I'll show you what happens when you press the squirter. So there you go. You got like a spike to 16 or so. And we'll do the front now. There you go, a spike to 18. 20. Yeah, I can't even do both at the same time. Okay, so that's the front on the squirter. Let's go to low. What is that delay? Delay. Here's low. So we're seeing about 3 amps or so. 3 to 4. And I think that spikes when the rear one goes. Turn that off. We'll do high. So there we go, high. There's about 5 to 6. So yeah, I don't see any issues. So guys, I was looking at the front AC compressor. I don't see anything obvious that would say, hey, I did a crappy repair. So, just gonna send it. And it should be fixed because that current isn't spiking high enough to blow the fuse. Hope you guys enjoy this. See you later. Here's just a quick look at the wipers. Look at these. It's horrible. I can't believe they sold a car like this. Both of them. Because that just didn't happen, especially if his wipers didn't work. So guys, I put new wiper blades on here and the customer asked me to check the oil because it was part of their 57-point inspection. And look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is no oil on this dipstick. Put it in the whole port? Yeah, hold on. There's none. Just take 530? Yeah. Still got nothing.
Double quart.
Oh, we're reading at the minimum now.
Quart and a half.
Oh, is that only half a quart?
Yep.
Yeah, well, we're gonna need more. So we're still at the minimum. Let's wipe this off. Here, let me get another quart, guys. Got my funnel. Probably should only put in like half of that.
That's all I'm doing.
There we go. Approaching the full mark. I'd probably let it go there. He's coming for an oil change. At least that's what he said. So is that 2.5 quarts?
2 quarts.
Oh, 2 quarts. There you go, guys. Gotta watch yourself when you go to used car lots.